Sometimes you take a photograph and the edge gets cut off and you want to kind of change that. So this is actually one of the very easy ones for it to do. So why don't we just grab the crop tool. With the crop tool selected, make sure you hit clear so any aspect ratio is removed. And then just extend it out how far you want it to go. I'll hit enter to apply. Now in the past, it would have been quite difficult to clone these bananas and get the tree and everything to just kind of look the way it should. But now we're just going to make a selection with the rectangular marquee tool. Just go slightly over the area so we've got a little bit of overlap. Now we're going to hit Generative Fill. We want to extend the picture, so we're not going to put anything in there. We're just going to choose Generate. Now once it's generated, we're going to have 3 results. If we look in the Properties panel, under Variations, we'll see 3 different variations. And we can click on each of these and notice that we get a different result. So you can choose the one you want. Alternatively, if you want to go to the toolbar up here, we can also click. So if you just click on each one, it's going to go through each generation. And you'll notice it's also moving in the Variations tab there. So it's just very easy way to navigate and find the one that you want.